Good afternoon, welcome to the shed. It's a rainy one, you can probably hear it. So, just a little short video to review, compare a couple of products that I bought recently. So, as always with me, there's a bit of a story behind it. So this thing here, I bought on the market for 10p, 10 cents to you US viewers. Yeah, and I got a bit of use out of it, and actually it is really good piece of kit. It's like a sort of scourer, but with some abrasive in it. I'm not exactly sure of the makeup of it. So, but that is a 3M Scotch-Brite pad, effectively. Now 3M stuff is really good. So I've worn it down to basically to the core. There's nothing left on that, so I had to go and buy another one. So I found one on Amazon. This is what it should look like. Yeah, it's got a bit of wear. I found this £14.50. That is a lot of money. However, they're good. While I was there, I also found a cheaper equivalent, which was £4, £4. So we're going to do a little test, see whether it's worth 3.5 times the money. Yeah. Now I've got an easy way of testing it. So you may have seen me talking about a scrub plane that I'm going to make. So this thing here is in a bit of a state. It's a number 4. One side's very rusty, other side probably not quite as bad actually, so I don't know, maybe we'll give the 3M the tough side. Normally I'd take that off with a wire brush first of all, perhaps I better do that, just take the worst of the rust off. And then we could do one side using the cheap one side using the expensive one, see if it's worth the money. Okay, come with me on this journey. I am going to just quickly use the wire brush to take the very worst of it off, because that side is really bad actually. I also want to take the blade out. Okay, taking the worst off. I mean, really left quite a bit on there. So let's try the cheap and cheerful one. £4 this cost. So let's just turn the camera now. So that's after about, I don't know, 6 minutes on there. Not bad. Actually better than I was expecting. That's actually an acceptable standard. I could give it a few more minutes to get it really nice, but I think that'll do. Okay, let's try the other side with the 3M version. Okay, so quite a big difference. Well, I say a big difference, but big difference in the amount of time it took. That's the finished side. On the 3M side, that took about 4 minutes compared to probably 7 minutes on the other side. This is, bearing in mind this side was more pitted as well. So I would say yes, it's better, the 3M one. However, let's have a look at the wear on the actual items. Obviously one's been running a bit longer. This is the cheap one. Looks alright, starting to go a bit in the middle. This one's pretty much as new. So I think 3.5 times the price, but actually it probably is worth it. You don't want to be going and buying them all the time. The speed of this thing is really good, and I think it is probably worth buying the right bit of kit. So there you go. Let that be a lesson to you. You know what to do. Buy cheap, buy twice. That's what they say. Buy expensive, don't buy it quite so often, or something like that. Alright, thanks very much for watching. Let me know if you like this sort of video in the comments below, and I'll see you soon. Thanks very much.